What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another install on, you already know, Lucy's car. This is video number 3. So we did the steering wheel and the airbag in the last video. We did the tail lights in the other video. Now we're doing the rain guards, which we kind of already finished and they're kind of already on the car. So we also have that rear little deck lid spoiler. It's a fake carbon fiber one. I don't know, I just had it from somebody, so I'm just gonna put it on the car because why not? And then probably we'll switch it out in the future, like I guess black or some paint matched. But for now, we're just gonna put that on. So again, we already recorded all the clips, so you're just gonna see all the clips now. We're gonna put this on right now. That's a rear spoiler because I gotta put tape on it. So yeah, see you on the video.
Esto es mío.
¿Quién lo compró?
Yo.
Chapi, 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 chapi.
That's the front wheel.
¡El maldito teléfono!
Bear?
Yeah, make sure this lip is on there too. The lip is gonna help you align it.
Bear?
Yeah, so you're gonna press down.
You think it's good like that?
Yeah, the tape should hold it. You're gonna press down and then you're gonna pull this at the same time as you you go through. Don't push it like all the way because you're gonna get it stuck.
Like now.
Yeah, hold on. Alright, pull it out. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Let this go past the lip first before you do that. Alright, and then put it in.
Hey!
Now you gotta heat it up again. Don't keep it in one area too long. You're gonna burn it. I'm gonna put more heat to it, Okay, so it's 2 days later and now I have a strut bar in my hand. This is actually my old strut bar, so when I went front camber, this didn't fit, so I had to take it off. And so, well, I have it. I might as well just put it on her car, you know, because why not? So it's pretty simple, just get a 14 and zap these guys off. Now we are gonna have to rotate this battery terminal like that. So we're gonna quickly do that and carry on. pretty much it. So now that's installed. I have to turn on the car and drive it because obviously I just unhooked the battery, so the systems have to get reset. There's the Civics. Civic 1, Civic 2. And then the Accord. Okay. We just unhooked the battery, so I should get all the lights here. And yep, everything is on. So let me quickly drive the car around. Okay, so we took the drive and everything is all good to go. Strut bar is on. Now that'll be it for today's video. If you guys did like, subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I get the next install coming. It's just raining right now, but that'll be coming soon. So yeah, see you on the next video.
Hey! Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below.